Yes, we'll
Yes,
go
sir, I
with
am ready, sir.
yes, we'll go with Siva. I will rectify him. I will tell what mistake he has done or what right thing he has done. Then you people can understand. Okay. So, Mr. Siva Agrawal, please introduce yourself.
Good evening, sir. I am Shiva Agrawal, a JIB certified banker with over 7 years of experience in banking industry. Currently, I am working with DCB Bank for the last 3 years as senior relationship manager, where I am responsible for acquisition of new customers and management of existing portfolio. Prior to that, I had worked with ICICI Bank as customer service officer, where I manage day-to-day branch operations along with sales. Some of my achievements include that I've been rated one, that is the highest, for the last 3 years at DCB Bank. Also, I've completed my JIB certification in the very first attempt. With my ability of customer relationship management and communication skills, I wish to join a leading bank like yours, where I can apply my skills and experience for the benefit of the organization and grow my career as a professional banker. That's all about me, sir.
Okay. So before I ask other questions to Shiva, I have some rectification for him and some hints for others. His introduction is well and good. All of you should have similar kind of introduction. But the thing is that he has mentioned few things that is not asked to him. I always say that you are not a PO or you are not a fresher. You have so many things to tell about your previous job. Yes, but still you have to make your introduction short and you have to leave some room for the next question, right? He has said, yes, I am a JIIB certified banker, very good. He has started with his experience, that's required because you are going to be selected for the on the basis of your job experience. So you always start in a specialist officer or a GPO where experience is required. You should always start with your experience, then your education. Past experience, then your education. And if you have more experience than required, then tell I have 5 years of banking experience and currently I am working with Axis Bank or so and so bank, right? This has to be mentioned. And please don't tell about your job roles because this is the next question. What you are doing in Axis Bank. Remember, if you will tell everything in your introduction, they will ask a separate question which is not related to your introduction. Always it is expected that the next question should always be from your introduction part. Because if you are asked something about yourself, your background, your family, your job role, you will answer it better than an unexpected question. If you will tell everything in your introduction, the next question may be, what do you mean by Basel norms? Maybe you are thorough with Basel norms, but you can answer your job profile better than defining Basel norms. Am I right? Is it understood to everyone? इतना इंग्लिश समझ में आ रहा है? ठीक है, हम अभी सार भी हमारे साथ हैं, हम सवाल सार भी करेंगे, मगर शिवा के साथ मैंने बहुत सारे इंटरव्यू किया है, तो एक जब रियल इंटरव्यू हम लोग आपका ले रहे होंगे, मैं बीच में टोकूंगा नहीं, एंड में बोलूंगा, सार भी वही करेंगे, बट दिस इज रिक्वायर्ड. हाँ, आपको क्या करना है, अपना इंट्रोडक्शन पेन एंड पेपर में खुद अपने शब्दों में लिखो. यू हैव टू राइट योर वन इंट्रोडक्शन इन ए पेन एंड पेपर. Because in
with your own words, don't copy paste to others.
Okay, so think that if I have to select you in the basis of your 15-second or 30-second introduction, what should you tell about yourself? What should you tell about yourself? मैं एक छोटा सा उदाहरण दे रहा हूँ. Let me give a simple example. I have so many qualifications. I have done my PhD. I have done MBA Finance. I have done postgraduate diploma in banking. I have done JIIB. I have done CIIB. I have done certified credit professional. I have done MSME certificate, MSME certification, and there are so many. I have qualified for assistant professorship held by UGC NET. But if I will go to an interview with Bank of Maharashtra, apart from all my qualifications, I know that in Bank of Maharashtra, they will emphasize my certificate, special certification about CCP, Certified Credit Professional. While I will say everything, in my introduction, I will emphasize that I have also qualified certified credit professional because I want this to be hard by the panelist, right? क्योंकि मेरे पहले जो भी आएगा उसके पास JIB CIB हो सकता है, मे भी उसके पास सर्टिफाइड क्रेडिट प्रोफेशनल ना हो, तो अगर मुझे वो मेरे 40 सेकंड या फिर 30 सेकंड के इंट्रोडक्शन पर सिलेक्ट करेगा तो ये एक कैची पॉइंट हो सकता है, राइट? You think that you are going to be selected in your 30-second introduction, and your introduction should not be more than 30-40 seconds. Okay, the more it is short, it will be more effective. Understood? इस पॉइंट के ऊपर सब हर कोई विचार करे. Everybody will introduce themselves in these lines. Don't deviate because this is all about your selections. Okay, so like CCP, I mentioned CCP. I have so many other courses, but I will deliberately mention CIIB. Why I will mention CIIB? I will not mention JIB. I will only mention CIIB because by saying CIIB, it is understood that I have qualified JIB. So I will not kill my time by pronouncing the word JIIB. At that same time, I will save some minutes to tell some seconds to tell about my CCP course, because I want them to hear about my certified credit professional course, or else I will tell them if I know that they will prefer someone who is having branch manager experience and I have certified credit professional. That means I can work in credit, I can work in branch banking. So I will tell them that I have worked as a branch manager for last 3 years in Axis Bank, and I also possess the certified credit professional course. So you have to work on your profile, your 30-second introduction, right? Okay. So yes, this question, because I have told so many things in between, so I lost the flow. That's why the flow is important. But I have no issue with Siba. I have asked him so many times. Okay. So Siba, you are telling that you have a huge experience in banking. So then why you want to join Bank of Maharashtra? Can you tell me?
Sir, Bank of Maharashtra believes in employees' interest rather than just a job. There is meritocracy there.
How do you know that? You have not been part of Bank of Maharashtra yet. So how you know that?
Sir, but I read in the website regarding the various career programs in Bank of Maharashtra.
Anything can be written in your website. Maybe your bank has similar writings on the wall.
The same thing is not with DCB or in ICICI. When you have joined with ICICI or in DCB, you did not aware about this employee benefit of DCB or in ICICI. And after so long time with ICICI as well as in DCB, then why you are shifting from this DCB to Bank of Maharashtra?
Sir, because I will get a greater exposure in Bank of Maharashtra. Because Bank of Maharashtra
it's all about exposure. I believe that ICICI is a better bank than DCB. Then why you left ICICI Bank?
Sir, to explore the asset background, I left ICICI Bank, and also
isn't there any asset department in ICICI? Is that you want to? Is this what you want to say?
No, sir. I worked in the liability department in ICICI. I was allocated.
Have you left only because you wanted a career in assets? Yeah, not because you got a growth or something like that.
No, sir. Growth is important. There was a hike, but important thing was I want to diversify my career. I not only needed liability, also I want to asset background also.
So, what is your current package in DCB right now?
My current package is 6 lakhs, sir.
So, do you know how much you will get if you are getting selected in Scale 2 in Bank of Maharashtra? Are you aware of it?
Sir, yes, sir. My basic salary will be 70,000 in Bank of Maharashtra, Scale 2 officer.
Sorry, 70?
That will be 70,000 per month.
Basic.
The
basic will not be 70.
Sorry, the gross will be 70.
Yeah.
Siva, you are going to appear the interview of Bank of Maharashtra. At least you should have knowledge of Bank of Maharashtra. You should have knowledge of your salary. You should have knowledge what the job profile you are going to be in Bank of Maharashtra. And it's not for Siva, it's for all candidates. They should
Yes.
know
That's why
about Bank of
Shiba
Maharashtra.
Shiba
They
is
should
being
know
used.
about the salary. They should know about what the profile they are going to get. At least these 3 to 4 answers they should know. They
Yeah.
may not know about budget. They may not know about NPA. They may not know about banking, but at least they should know this type of answers.
Yes,
Yes,
from
Shiva.
when you were shifted
Sure.
from a bigger bank to a small bank, the reason could be like you got a chance to work in asset, whereas you were only exclusively working in your previous organization to a limited field, and you were also being offered with an attractive career growth. That could be the point. See, always you don't have to say about the social aspect of your selecting a bank. You have to always classify them into financial benefits and career growth, right? Be practical.
Currently in DCB, you are in scale 1 or scale 2? I mean in that assistant manager, what grade you are in?
No, job
My
security
grade
cannot
is
be
deputy
this.
manager 2.
Sorry?
Deputy manager 2. DM 2, sir.
Deputy manager 2 means
You can
this is
say,
scale 2.
you can
Yeah,
compare it as a
DM
scale
1
one
is there,
and
DM 2 is there.
yeah.
DM
So
means it's scale 1. It's scale 1,
scale
right?
one. It's scale one.
Yes, sir.
So you can say that my
You can answer like you are getting 1 grade hike. I mean from scale 1 to scale 2. Okay. You should frame
Yes,
your
sir.
answer like this. You should not frame if you do not have answer of your answer. Okay, you're getting the answer of your answer,
sir.
then you should not answer like this, because your next question will be from your answer.
Yes, sir.
And
okay.
it's for all students, all
Job
candidates.
security is
Your-
not. It cannot be a reason for switching. Okay. There is no
in
job
the
security.
in the era of privatization, there's nothing called job security.
Job security is for the dull people. Yes, those who are called kamchor. It is for them. Okay. So Shiva will go with you for in a full-fledged manner. Today you are picked for a for sample interview skills. So don't mind.
What's your introduction was really impressive.
Yes, that's really you have worked on it. But don't tell like your hobby or something like that you told in the end. That is for this freshers. It is not for a professional. Okay.
Okay, Shiva, what are the products you are currently dealing in DCB?
Currently, I'm dealing with savings account, current account, fixed deposit.
But you said
Insurance.
you have switched here for asset.
Sir, recently I've been switched to liability because
Okay.
due to COVID, the asset has taken a hit in our bank. So we
Okay.
have limited our assets and we are
Okay.
focusing more on liability products.
Okay. The difference between asset and liability?
Sir, asset is what a bank owns and liability is what the customer owns.
Okay. And what is mortgage?
Sir, mortgage is creation of charge on a security to meet obligation of the customer.
Okay. How many types of mortgage?
There are 6 kinds of mortgage, sir.
Okay.
What are they?
Should I name them?
Yes.
Can you tell only one or two?
Sir,
What is simple mortgage? What is English mortgage? At least one or two.
so simple mortgage is a mortgage where the title deeds are deposited with the bank and loan is given by creation of charge on the property.
Then what is equitable mortgage?
So in case of equitable mortgage, the registration with the registrar is not done. Only the title deeds are deposited.
You have to go through this. You are not right in this matter. Okay. You have to go through this.
Yes.
And define NPA.
NPA is any asset that stops generating income for the bank when the interest is overdue for a period of 90 days or above.
And
the
for
account is
agricultural loan?
termed as NPA.
For agricultural loan also?
So 2 crops. For agricultural loan, there is a 2 interest cycle. If the
Even
interest
if
is not paid,
long term,
Not
then
interest cycle, it's crop cycle.
crop cycle, sir.
Yeah.
and it's same for
Crops.
short term crop as well as long term crop. You are telling it's 2 cycle. It's same for long term crop
Yes, sir.
also. Yes.
Next one, be prepared. Please raise the
Yes,
hands.
sir.
and we'll go
I
next.
don't know, sir, about the short term and long term crop.
Hmm.
We only do paddy loans here.
Without understanding NPA definition of agriculture, it's incomplete. Okay, go through the NPA class completely.
All should know about
NPA provisioning,
NPA classes,
risk-weighted
including
assets.
agriculture,
Yes.
because Bank of Maharashtra more focuses on agriculture loans. Okay.
NPA classification, SMA, etc. Then this provisioning, okay, NPA provisioning. Then comes the risk-weighted assets of each asset. These are the things that is required to be known. Okay. So who is next? Who is ready for the next? Siva,
Okay, Siva.
Siva,
Prepare well.
yeah, prepare well. You have
Thank you,
time.
sir.
Yes.